We can solve this quadratic equation using any method we want. I'm going to go ahead and do it using the quadratic algorithm. That's my favorite way to do this. So I'm going to divide everything by 2 first. And then remember the average of the two roots is negative b over 2. So in this case, it's negative 3 over 2. And then I use the equation average squared minus z squared equals c. And remember, z is the distance that you're moving to the right or to the left from the average to get the two roots. I want to solve for z, so I'm going to add z squared to both sides, and I'll add 5/2 to both sides. And now before I take the square root, I want to combine the fractions. So I'm going to change 5/2 into fourths, so I need to multiply the top and the bottom by 2. That gives me 10 over 4. So now I add those fractions together, I get 19 over 4 equals z squared. Then I can take the square root of both sides. I get z equals plus or minus the square root of 19 over 4. And then remember, if you take the square root of a fraction, you're taking root of the top over root of the bottom. So I get z is plus or minus root 19 over 2. And now to get the roots, I just take the average and either add z or subtract z. So the average was negative 3/2, and then I've got plus or minus root 19 over 2.